every few months is a good idea to give your fibres a really good soak and give them a bit of a tune-up. So what you do is just put a little spot of washing up liquid. I use the Enyo washing up liquid. Spot that on, give it a good rub in, get in there with your nails. Spot on there. And then pop them all into soak. So again, a bit of water. Just make sure you get the washing up liquid right in to the fibres, right down into the bottom. So though you wash them out every time you use them and get them a good go in the washing machine, they still need a bit of a refresh every month or so, or not even every month, every couple of months or so. I usually do this. So you can just mix them all up, all different ones, and you leave them in there to soak. So I've got some bathroom stuff, I've got some skincare, I've got some kitchen, and I'm just going to put them all in together and let them soak. So about an hour later, get them all, put the squeeze out, stick them in a laundry bag. I just put them all in together. They're not really dirty, we've just been getting the ground in dirt out of them. So all in a laundry bag, and then I'll just pop that into the washing machine on a rinse cycle, because they've had a good wash, but a rinse cycle will get rid of all the laundry liquid that's left in there. Make sure the fibres are all ready for the next thing. So have a look, water's a bit grubby. As I say, every 2 or 3 months, if you give them a bit of a refresh, it really helps the fibres.